Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn power play together, step by step. Powers let us write repeated multiplication compactly and handle the very large and very small numbers of science. We'll learn the laws of exponents and standard form. An exponent tells how many times to multiply the base by itself. So 2 to the 5th is 2 multiplied 5 times, which is 32. The laws make powers easy: to multiply, add the exponents; to divide, subtract. A power of a power multiplies them, and anything to the power 0 is 1. A negative exponent means a reciprocal. 2 to the minus 3 is 1 over 2 cubed, which is 1/8. Negative powers are how we write very small numbers. Simplify 3 to the 4th times 3 squared over 3 cubed. Add and subtract the exponents. 4 plus 2 minus 3 is 3, so the answer is 3 cubed, 27. Standard or scientific form writes a number as a value between 1 and 10 times the power of 10. So 150,000 is 1.5 times 10 to the 5th, and 0.0004 is 4 times 10 to the minus 4. To recap, the laws of exponents add, subtract, or multiply the powers. A 0 power is 1, negative powers are reciprocals, and standard form expresses any number as k times a power of 10. Well done! Great work! Keep learning with Vidya, and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.